Okay, here we are. It is 2022 and it is that time for a new top 10 list of drones, most popular drones on Amazon. And these are the hobbyist kind of drones. So these are like for your teenage kid or younger kid wanted a drone for the holidays, or your boyfriend or your husband never had a drone, wanted a drone. Just something to play with, not the photographers in the room. These are the fun, affordable holiday gifts, okay? So let's go over these in no particular order, but these are the 10 top ones on Amazon right now. Most of them I've reviewed, a couple I have not. The ones who I have reviewed, I'll include a little footage of them flying around while we're talking. But so, okay, let's start with this one. This one is from number 10. This is from DRC, and this is the D20, which is a mini drone. It is a toy-sized drone. It has been around for a little while, but it is so tried and true. I love this drone. I had so much fun playing with it. It has a camera. It shoots at 720 HD, which is an HD quality image. Obviously, with these toy drones, you're really not doing photography on it. Myself, I've even stopped using the FPV, which this has that first party view where you can see it on your phone while you're using. I much prefer to keep my eyes on these drones, fly them around, do the flips, do all the fun stuff. There is no need for that FPV. If it's outside of your immediate sight, you're probably gonna crash it or it's gonna blow away in the wind. But this D20 is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, by the way, the links for all these drones, if you want them, are listed down below in the description. Okay, let's get on to number 9. Okay, this is again another one from Holystone, another one that I have flown. You'll see it flying around that I really love. This was the HS440. This one is so reasonably priced and can do so much. It is so fun to fly. This, unlike the other one, which is a little bit the smaller toy size, this is like that full format. It is a 1080p, again, another HD camera. This one's starting to get to the point where you can actually take some videos, can take some photos. It is worthwhile for that, but mostly it is just a great drone to fly, have fun with, learn, get your feel for it, get your feet wet with it. Comes with extra batteries, comes with replaceable blades, everything you need to get started and have a good time. Let's talk about number 8. Okay, this is from Force One. This is the UFO 4000 drone. Okay, this thing is one of the few that I have not personally flown on this list, but it looks like an absolute ton of fun. These mini drones with the cool LEDs and the ducted fans, ducted meaning the fans are completely surrounded, so even if you kind of bang them into the wall or to the, that kind of thing, you're not gonna scuff things up. If you bang them into yourself, you're not gonna hurt yourself. All good that way. So this drone doesn't even bother with the camera, which I think is completely appropriate for these size and kind of drones. Does 360-degree flips, right? What else can you want out of a small toy kind of drone that is great for a beginner, great for a kid, great for using in the house because it has those ducted fans? That one is awesome. I want to take a quick time out here in the middle and ask you, do you have a drone already, or is this your first purchase of a gift for somebody? If this is your first purchase, comment below what kind of person you're trying to buy it for. Maybe there'll be some advice in the comment. Or if you're looking for a new drone for yourself, you already have a drone, drop the name below. Let me know what you have. Maybe it's a new one that I should try out. Maybe it's one that you don't like. You can let me know either way, but I'm always looking for more drones to check out. Let's get back to that list. Number 7. This one is from Hasaki. I've actually flown a couple of their drones. I have not flown this particular model, but in terms of the other ones I've flown, the quality is definitely great. This looks so fun. This is the Q9S. So this is, again, just like the last one. This is one of these little mini drones, fully ducted, cool LED lights, a ton of fun. This one has an altitude hold feature, which means it should really just take off and hold its altitude magically, so you don't have to worry about it flying around. It should just hover nicely for you, which is just nice every once in a while when you take your eye off of it. You don't want to wonder where it's crashing into. Although it's ducted, it's not going to hurt anything in the house. In any case, this thing looks like a really ridiculously cool drone, and that's how it made it onto number 7 on the list. Oh, by the way, one more time, description, there are links to all of these drones. Number 6. I'm liking doing that. This is the Hemi NH525, which honestly, I'm not familiar with this. This is one of the few brands and drones that I am not either familiar with in terms of flown or knew the brand. Don't know them, but they are highly rated on Amazon. This drone looks like it has a lot of cool features. It has HD, it has one-touch takeoff, it has Wi-Fi enabled, has FPV, it's that 1080p video, so you can actually start to be able to do some real video photography, that kind of stuff. Looks like a really solid starter drone. Beyond that, I can't tell you anything else. Number 5. This is one of my absolute favorites. I really love this. Let me tell you why. As a parent, oh, maybe I should tell you what it is. This is the Holystone HS190 micro drone. So, as a parent, there are so many times where I would have loved to have this, particularly when we traveled, right? Because this drone, it's a teeny little thing that flies so good, but it's a teeny little thing that actually folds up and fits in the remote control. So let's say you're going on vacation with your kids and you want them to bring little toys to play in the hotel room, whatever, keep themselves busy, maybe out of your hair for a little bit. All you need to do is pick up that one remote control, which already has the drone in it, and whammo, you got the whole thing right there. You don't have to start with drones and separate batteries and all in one little package, easy to travel with, would be so nice, so nice. So it's maybe a little bit of a gift for yourself if you're getting your kids something that's easy to travel with. But so this little micro drone flies so well. It is so fun. It is really cool. It is intuitive, easy to use. Anybody can use it. You will have an amazing time with it. It is not ducted, but it's got the teeniest little blades. It can't hurt anything. It is so fun. Enjoy that one. Number 4, things are getting a little serious here. This is the Holystone HS175D, this one in this box right here. Wow, we're starting to get to a really competent little drone here. And still in that hobbyist price range, totally reasonable. If you have somebody who wants to get started, a great choice. I love it. I've actually given it as a gift to some people in my family who wanted to try. But, so this one, you're now up to 4K capabilities. It has follow me features. It has circle round, like all those cool, like cinematic kind of like cool video features that you want, as well as having the altitude hold. It is what they call a GPS drone, which means if it loses contact with you, it will return to the waypoint you set up when it took off. So that way you shouldn't lose your drone. It shouldn't fly away. Some of these other basic drones don't have those GPS capabilities. They shouldn't be so far away that you're going to lose them. But this one, you're starting to get with some really capabilities here. So if it gets caught in the wind or it starts to fly away or you lose track of it, your battery runs out on your remote, any of those things, it is going to fly home and land safely in front of you. How cool is that? All right, number 3, 1, 2, 3, number 3. So this is the Holystone RC Nano drone. This thing is crazy cool. Again, now we're back into those micro drones, ducted, fully ducted, so it won't crash into anything. This one's a little older, so it doesn't have the crazy LEDs the other ones have, but it is super cool looking, flies great. I had so much fun with this, loved flying it around. I flew it inside, flew it outside. Maybe you've seen a little bit of that. It was really cool. Has an auto hover feature, which is nice. It does those 3D flips. I love the flips. Those flips are so much fun. I think this would make a great gift for a boy or a girl or a husband or a boyfriend, whatever it is. If you're interested, links are all down below in the description. Number 2, dose. Things are getting real now. Okay, so now we're talking about real stuff, real quality, helicopter, quadcopter, drones, whatever you want to call them. We're now up to the DJI Mini SE. This is the first camera of all of them that we've discussed that has a 3-axis gimbal, which is really truly a game changer. That means as the drone pitches sideways, forward, up or down, that camera adjusts so it stays stable and the image doesn't move around. It is an amazing difference between a fixed or a 2-axis gimbal and a 3-axis gimbal like this. This is a little more expensive now, but totally in a reasonable price range and ridiculously reasonable for what you get with this drone. It has a 2.7K camera, which is definitely very high def, great looking image, and you can fly for up to 30 minutes with it because it is ultra light. This is definitely worthy of its second place position on the board here. Okay, we are up to number one, uno, but don't leave after this because I have a bonus one. I just couldn't leave it at this. There's one that I really love, which was just out of the list and I wanted to include it. But so let's talk about number one. This is the DJI Mini 2 with the More Fly package. So this is the last generation of the DJI Mini, but a phenomenal value for what you get. So it is a small, compact, ultra lightweight drone. We're back to this 3-axis gimbal. It has OcuSync 2.0, which is DJI's really excellent connection to the drone, so you get a lot of range, great quality, great FPV image. We're now up to a 4K camera that shoots at 12 megapixel, which is now we're getting to serious camera range. And it's interesting that the More Fly package here was the one that was up there at the top of the list. I always buy the More Fly package. It comes with extra batteries, extra blades, normally comes with a really nice case, a charging pack, all those kind of things. All the things that you need to really round out your life as a drone enthusiast, having a great time with it, keeps it up in the air, not waiting for things to recharge, all that kind of stuff. It is awesome. DJI products are awesome, which brings me to our bonus, the bonus answer, which is my little baby here. Check this guy out. How about that? This is the newest, the new generation of the DJI Mini. This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So in the link below, you'll see I've included both the More Fly package and the DJI remote. I'll tell you about all those, but you can kind of strip those things out. You can change it, use the link, go to Amazon, and then you pick which features you want. But so we are now up to a 4K 60 frames per second camera. Shoots at 48 megapixels if you want to do high def photos, great video, that kind of stuff. Unbelievable image quality. With the 3 Pro, we've also got the newest version of OcuSync Plus. You get the APAS 4.0, which is obstacle avoidance. You can set this up so if it's flying and it sees a tree, it's gonna fly around the tree and resume its course on the other side, which is absolutely ridiculous. As you can see, it has cameras on the front and on the bottom. So you have all those cameras looking for obstacles to avoid, not crash, all those kind of things, which is obviously a fabulous tool because as careful as we are, sometimes those darn trees get in the way sometimes. In any case, 34 minutes on a battery. Crazy cool. I did include the More Fly package, which includes 2 additional batteries with even longer fly time. And in the package that I included, I should have brought my controller out here, but I didn't, but is an upgraded controller where no longer do you have to attach your phone to the remote control so that you could do the FPV. The remote control has the screen built into it. It is so cool. It works amazing. Amazing. Life is so much easier. Not that life's all that hard having to put the camera on and link it all up. That's not a big deal. But it is so nice when you just pick up that remote, flip the switch, it turns on, it's like, boom, let's go fly. It is awesome. Cannot go wrong with this. The link is down below. This is absolutely my favorite, even though it was 11th out of 10. But I recommend all of these. I haven't flown 2 of them, which were on the list here, but they come from reputable companies. They can't be on the top of the Amazon list and be junk. So in any case, I hope this was helpful. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and we'll see you next year.